If you're wondering what an apartment in South Korea looks like, stick around. What is up, guys? Welcome in if you're new, and welcome back if you are not. I'm Glow. I am an English teacher by day and a mental health gamer by night. And today I am here to give you guys a tour of my apartment in South Korea. So I moved here about 4 or 5 months ago to be an English teacher at a hagwon, which is a private academy. My school provides this apartment for me, so I do not have to pay for the apartment at all. I just pay for utilities, and I wanted to show you guys a little bit what the space is like. This is a studio apartment. We are in a city, not a huge city like Seoul, just a little bit outside of it. But so we're really close to coffee shops, supermarkets, restaurants, and the train station, which is my favorite. But all I'm going to show you today is the inside of my apartment so you get a good idea about what a studio apartment in South Korea looks like. So we hop right off the elevator and go to my door. You can see everybody has these little cameras so we can see who rings our doorbell. Super nice. And then very common in Korea is the touchpad. So you just pop your code in and come inside. You don't need a key at all, which is super nice. We come in. Little baby Rory is here to welcome us. I do have some hooks up over here for my coats and my bags. And of course, Rory's stuff. Very, very important. There's tons of built-in storage. This first closet here, I've got my bags, obviously the shoe storage, and a couple other miscellaneous things like my vacuum. Keep my umbrella right by the door because it rains a lot here. Typical of Asian countries, we do take our shoes off when we come inside. You can see there's a little lip there, so you gotta step up and put those adorable little bunny slippers on. I actually love having the slippers in my house. Even in America, I did that. We have storage galore. Here is the closet space. It is a little bit smaller than what I'm used to in America, but it's used so well it doesn't really matter. Got this little drawer here too, which is super nice. Plenty of space for me. And then right next to it, we've got more closet space. So this is where I keep my coats and my hats and then some other miscellaneous storage. It's really nice to have this little space here, this entryway. It's really well organized. And then, oh, what's this? The fridge. It looks exactly like the rest of the cabinets. I love it. I don't eat at home a lot, so I don't have a lot of food in my fridge and freezer, but it's still nice to have, and it blends in so nicely. And then the bathroom. We walk over here. Pretty decent sized bathroom, I think. You know, it gets the job done. Obviously, have the bidet. And then something that's not really common here in Korea is actually an enclosed shower, which is really nice. And then, of course, I have some additional storage. I got a lot of stuff, y'all. And my favorite thing right here, so much more storage. This mirror slides both ways so you can access all of the storage. You have plenty of room. Again, just so much built-in storage here. It's so nice. And then to the main event. So like I said, this is a studio apartment, so it is completely open. I've got my trash area over here. Recycling's huge in Korea, so you have to separate everything. Got all of my special touches that I've added. And then we're going to my kitchen area. So the kitchen is not very big, but I don't cook a ton anyway. And there is a lot of built-in storage. We can close these, which is super nice. Bam. And it separates it off from the rest of the apartment. And then I have this little area here. Pull this out. And that is where I can eat. And if I have friends over, we can sit there too. Time for a little Rory break. Look at him, he's so cute. We move over to where the magic happens. This is my desk setup. Nothing special. I've got my TV, which I use as my second monitor, and obviously all of my stuff. My Learning Korean book. Let's go. It is a standing desk because your girl has too much energy to be sitting all the time. Zoop. I can stand. I can play games. I can stand while I stream, whatever I want. And then, of course, have some special touches. I love my sofa. I did buy that sofa and this IKEA bookshelf. Obviously, gotta have my Matt Smith picture and all of my gaming stuff and my nerd stuff. You know it because of who I am as a person. Brought a lot of stuff from home just to make it feel more like me. And obviously, gotta put my Makokos up there. So central AC is not a big thing here. So we have these AC units. They still work pretty well. And we have this little door. So there's a vent in there that you actually open up when you're running the AC. You usually keep it open during the winter. And then we have Rory's little corner over here. Got his toys and his bed. Obviously a little room. And then these steps that I got him.
storage. So each little step has storage in it. So I keep his food and other things in there. Then my bed, nothing special, but it's really comfy. I've got my nightstand and then obviously my heated mattress pad because it's cold AF. And that's about it. It's a really nice space. It is perfect for me and Rory.